Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily install Pinokio browser in your device. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open any one of the browser and you simply need to type download Pinokio and click on the first website that appears in the result. Once you see this website, simply click on download option and in the next page you need to choose the option for download for Windows. Shortly the zip file will be downloaded in your device and once it is downloaded, simply double click on the file. After that, all you need to do is you need to extract the file from the zip folder and then you will be able to set up Pinokio browser. So as you can see, the Pinokio zip file has been installed in my device. What I will do is simply select the file and click on extract call option and again extract. Once all the file has been extracted in your device, you will see a setup extension file. Simply click on it and shortly you will see that the browser has already been installed in your device. So that's it. That is how easily you can download Pinokio browser in your device. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.